Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another day of Everyday May. I've been sharing a video a day every day of May, and we're almost at the end of the month, and yeah, I've still got loads of ideas of videos to share. And today I am talking all about keto desserts that are no bake, and I've got all the ingredients that you need to stock your kitchen with so that you can make loads of no bake desserts. So come summer you can make loads of sweet treats by mixing and matching all these ingredients. So I'll talk you through all the ingredients I've got today, and I've also written a blog post down below with a list of ingredients as well as all the recipes you need to mix and match and make all yum sweet treats through summer and through the whole year. When you feel like no baked sweet treat, there are so many easy low carb keto ones to make. So let's start over here with cream. I shared the other day a recipe for whipped cream, how to make easy homemade whipped cream with just beautiful fresh cream, and a really easy dessert, no bake dessert, is making whipped cream and having it with some berries. Berries are in season now. Look at those beautiful Wexford strawberries. They smell pretty incredible. And so yeah, berries. We've got strawberries, raspberries, always keeping those to hand. You can either make a dessert by whipping up some cream and folding through some berries. You can top some berries with cream. You can make mascarpone mousse. We've got mascarpone over here. There's just so many ways to enjoy those lovely fresh berries when they're in season. And lemon too. Lovely lemon, summer lemon desserts. I've got recipes for lemon mousse, a lemon, just lemon curd. So many yum ways to enjoy lemon over summertime. And for flavor, it's always good to have a bottle of vanilla because yeah, I used it in the whipped cream, and you can use it in so many other desserts. And if you're feeling like a more healthy kind of dessert, we've got some whole milk yogurt over there, and you can either mix it with some berries, maybe some chia seeds, some nuts for a bit of a chia pudding or parfait, or make a smoothie too. Have some yogurt. Just look for a the lowest carb yogurt, which is usually a natural or Greek yogurt. Will be low in sugars and low in carbs too. And then you can always sweeten it with stevia. Stevia, you'll see I use in all of my recipes, but having stevia and making sure you've got a good stock of stevia, and when you're close to running out, get another jar, so then you've always got stevia to sweeten desserts, because yeah, plain natural yogurt isn't quite so sweet, but when you add in some stevia, it makes it nice and sweet. And cacao powder or chocolate, have to have those for desserts. Chocolate mousse, I've shared so many chocolate mousse recipes. Some have cacao powder, some have actual chocolate in, and some is the perfect time to rotate through and try different sweet treats with chocolate. And if you're making smoothie, or there's some other sweet treats too, always good to have some almond milk, or make some milkshake. Strawberry milkshake, I shared the recipe for ages ago, so yeah, definitely keeping almond milk and keeping some cartons in the pantry too, so you can always make a nice sweet treat. And we've got ricotta and mascarpone. I've shared ricotta, lemon mousse before. Ricotta can be used so many ways, as well as just with some raspberries or strawberries. So good. And mascarpone. Yesterday I had a sweet treat, afternoon treat with just strawberries with mascarpone. That was it. So good and yum. And eggs. You can enjoy eggs raw in my chocolate ice cream I shared the other day. You whip them up, or you can make chocolate mousse. Also, they're used in curd and chocolate pudding. So many ways to enjoy eggs in no bake sweet treats. You don't have to bake them. Sometimes you can just slowly cook them or have them raw if you're happy to. And finally, some nuts. A while ago I shared a recipe for no bake cookies, peanut butter cookies. So yeah, peanut butter keeping to hand too, and some nuts which you can mix through the peanut butter cookies, or have them with any of the desserts. Just sprinkle a handful of nuts, adds a little bit of protein and some crunch. If you're making a cheesecakey type dessert, one of the mousse, a raspberry or a strawberry mousse, you can crumble a bit of flaked almonds on top for that sort of crunch factor without it being carb loaded. So there you go. That is my selection of ingredients that I'm going to make sure I've always got stocked in my kitchen, usually through the year, but especially through summer when I want a fresh no bake dessert that is just lovely. And as I mentioned, I'll leave a link down below to the blog post, which will have loads of recipes, the ones I've mentioned today, as well as loads more that are no bake keto desserts, low carb desserts to enjoy through summer and through the year. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment too. Let me know what is your go-to no bake dessert. When you need to make a no bake dessert, when you want something sweet treat and you don't want to bake, what do you make? I look forward to reading your comments. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.